Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you doing today? We practiced the previous video about the different data type. We discussed about the different data type like integers and floats, and even in the before videos we were talking about strings. So now we can use something as combined with all those things, and at the same time we can use it in like something useful. So let's start today about asking the user about their age and see if they are an adult, or if they are like a minor, we can actually print a statement or a phrase that will declare that. So let's see how we can do it. So first things first, we know about everything here. So the library, including the main scope, all these things. And you can check out the previous videos to know more about it. Now I'm starting with declaring the integer. So I'm gonna name it age. Okay, so integer age, semicolon. So in this case, the age is a variable that I really wanna know and take as an information from the user. And depending on that value, I will assess if they are adults or minor, depending on the number that they will enter. So in this case, let me first put the variable value to 0, because, if we don't put like a number, like this, there will be like a rubbish value from the compiler itself. So you have to put a value, and this value, it doesn't mean this is what we are dealing with. This is like the starter or the starting value. Okay, so now I want to ask the user, so cout, as we learned before about the console out. This is something we'll print out on screen. Cout, what is your age? So this is a question here, and question mark, and after that I really want to add end line, so the answer would be in the next line. Okay, now I will take the answer, so I have to add cn. So in this case, I will put this variable that we just declared, which is age. So now I will have the age of the user in this variable. So, I will get the number in this variable. And depending on this number, as I told you, we will see if it's, something that we can actually consider as a minor or an adult. So let's run the compiler now and see the result. Okay, so now it's asking, what is your age? Okay, I'm gonna say, let's see, so 18. See, now the program ends, with nothing more, because this is what we did actually. So we just print, the question, and we just took the number or the value that we added, nothing else. So I want to make more steps to this. So I want to see if the number that we enter here is a minor or an adult. So let's see how we do that. And to do that, we can use if statement. So if statement in this case is very useful. So we type if, open brackets, and then I want to make an like operator here. So the expression would be age larger than 18. Okay, if age larger than 18. Okay, and now I will type here what kind of result that the user should get. So now the age, if the age is 18 and plus, I want to type this statement. So we can type you are an adult. End line. Okay, so the next thing that we can add, I can add another if, and I can say if age less than 18, and that would be correct. There is no problems, but um, there is another easy way to do it. So you can use else. So now I don't have to write the expression because any number less than 18, this code will be executed. So I will say see out you are a minor. End line. Okay, let's run the program and see how it goes. Okay, so now it's asking what's your age. I'm gonna say 20. Okay, so now it says you're an adult, of course. And if I try with another age, okay, like less than 18, let's say 17, you are a minor. So now it applies the condition of if and else statement. And let's see if we just say 18, okay, if the age is 18, you are a minor. So I actually, 18 and plus. So I want to make this, I want to just make sure that the age, if it's 18 plus, the person will be an adult. So I wanted the operator or the expression would be like if the age is 18 and plus, the the person is an adult. So now, we can just change the operator here. So if I make it larger or equals to 18. So let's say now and run it again and see if it's now correct. So 18. Okay, you're an adult. So less than 18, it will be a minor. This is the kind of statement that I will get. So this is like a very simple program, right? And one more thing, if I wanted to add like another, statements here, I should be put this code in curly bracket like this. So I have to add those curly brackets because one line, there's no problem executing only one line, but if it has more than one line, there will be like an error or some sort of logical mistake that you will get if you have a long code and sometimes you just don't really know exactly where is the mistake coming from. So especially with logical mistakes. So this is a very simple program, but it's actually a full program that you can practice on and do a variety of things. I hope that you learned something today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video, and see you in the next video.